What's up, guys? It's me, No, today back with another video. So today I am going to be showing you how to make spider webs. So let's get to it. Like spider webs like this, guys. You can't. So first you need ow, that hurts. I got a splinter. So you need one of these things that you can stretch out with there's stuff inside of them. I don't know what they're called. And you need a keychain ring, and that's all you need basically. And you get something. Okay, let me put that right there. And then you put it under a heavy thing, really heavy, because it hurts when you launch it. So you're hello, look at me, I'm Spider-Man. And you shoot it out like that. You go closer, and you're and you bring it back and show the logo. And so guys, this is going to be the end of the video. So bye. Guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Guys, one sec. Let me show you something that's epic. So one sec.
Not sure even about God.
Okay.
What God means to you. But one thing is clear.
Okay, come back.
One thing is clear is that
I showed the webs at you guys. Look, I tape it to I don't tape it, I just do it to the phone.
an imagination, because when you woke up this morning,
Bye, guys.